everyone, welcome to Holiday Kids Cook. And I have my friend
Polar Bear.
He's going to help us make a recipe today. We are going to be making bugle elf hats.
Oh, those are beautiful, Miss Allison.
Yeah. So what you need for this recipe is a bag of bugles. Now this is 3.7 ounce size. It's going to make like 40 to 50 bugle hats, and it's going to be really cute. You need that, and you need some melted white chocolate. You can get the candy melts out of the white chocolate, or you can get the Nestle white chocolate chips, and that's what I'm using today.
Sounds good.
So I melted them for about a minute and 30 seconds, and I stopped every 30 seconds to melt, to stir, and so after that I took them out of the microwave. I have it all melted here. I mixed it up nice and ooh, it's beautiful. You don't have to add anything to it.
That's very easy.
All that you have to do, it's very simple, is you have to get I forgot to mention, I have sprinkles of all sorts. I have red, I have green, I even have some blue winter. Those are kind of hard to see, and then I have some green and red combination ones, as you can see.
Those are my favorite.
Oh, you like those ones, do you, Polar Bear?
They're delicious.
So simply, this is the hat shape that we have already set up for us, and we're just going to dip it. So we're going to dip it in the white chocolate, like that. Then you're going to dip it in the colored sugar. Oh, and I forgot to mention one last item. We have M&Ms as well. So we're going to take the M&M and we're going to kind of stick it right in there. Then we're going to put it down for it to dry. It'll take probably like 5 minutes or so to cool down. And then it'll be solid. Kind of like this one.
Hey, that looks like my hat.
Yeah, it does, doesn't it?
Yes, it's like almost exactly the same.
You can also, what I did with this red one here, is I actually dipped it in the bottom, and I dipped a little bit on the top to make a little top for the hat. So that's kind of cute as well.
Jingle bell.
Yeah, so that's that one. What else can we do? Let's do a blue one. This is a great recipe for kids to do. The chocolate isn't too hot, so they won't burn their fingers, and they can just simply dip that and just dip it right in like that. This is very pretty.
It looks very icy.
It is very icy. It looks a little bit like a winter wonderland on
That's
a
where
hat.
I'm from.
Where are you from, Polar
The
Bear?
north.
You from the Great White North?
Yes.
Oh, do you live near Santa?
I do. We're neighbors.
Okay, so that's it. That's basically the recipe today. Now,
very easy.
if you happen to have some pretzels on hand, you can do pretzels in the white chocolate and dip it in the sprinkles. You can also, sugar wafers work as well. You can take a sugar wafer and kind of dip it in. Kind of just...
You know, Miss Allison, you could make a snowman with that.
Ah, you could actually.
You could put the frosting on, put some buttons on them with M&Ms.
You could actually, if you can visualize it. That is the plain. But then you could take some M&Ms. Let's use orange ones, maybe. See, there's one.
Yeah, those are great.
There's two. There's three. Oh, maybe I should have saved the orange for his nose. But there you go.
Wait, yeah.
Actually, you can make a stoplight too. I just thought of that.
I guess you could put the hat on top once you were done.
Ah, you think I could?
Make a little person.
Let's see. Oh, let's see if it works. All you need is a face. So that would be simply done, I guess, with some smaller items, maybe some raisins or...
You could get creative and dig around your cupboard. See what you got.
Definitely. Definitely need some eyes and a face, though.
Or maybe some peanuts, raisins.
Yeah.
Like you said.
That sounds like a great idea, Polar Bear.
Oh, you know.
Well, that just kind of came to us right now.
Yeah,
we just thought of that.
Yeah.
That was improvising.
Yeah.
But whatever you have in your cupboard, you can kind of dip it in the chocolate and you can make a lovely treat. But I do really like the elf hats. Are they elves or are they... Yeah, I guess they're elves.
Yeah, they're elves.
They're elves, Santa's elves.
They do all of his yard work.
They do all the work.
Shoveling.
I also had another idea. Around Halloween, you could probably do a witch's hat as well.
Oh, yeah.
So that's it. That's it for today. Cool. And I did have an idea for your teachers at school. You can have a little mason jar, and you can fill them with the elf hats, and you can give it as a gift.
Perfect.
So I hope you enjoyed this holiday kids cook. And I hope you come back and visit us for more holiday recipes in the future. You want to say goodbye, Polar Bear?
Goodbye. Happy holidays, everybody.
Have a great holiday and a happy new year, everyone.